Overview of trading HTR USDT. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between profit targets TPs. Entry point, 0.13456 to 0.15560. Take profit targets TPs. TP1, 0.21643. TP2, 0.29160. TP3, 0.39964. TP4, 0.46407. TP5, 0.53050. Stop level, 0.08095. Important. Remember to move your stop loss to your entry point or previous TP after reaching any TP. This protects profits and limits losses if the market reverses. Entry. Enter after a pullback. Risk management. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment for spot trading for participation while managing risk. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades. There is no guarantee of success in cryptocurrency trading, and you may lose all or part of your investment. We are not liable for any losses you may incur trading with this analysis or any other analysis we provide. Please trade with caution and responsibility.